About this item: stronger cell signal capable of reaching towers at distances up to 33% farther range than the Drive Sleek. The weBoost Drive XRV signal booster offers fewer dropped calls, better voice quality, faster mobile internet, improved audio and video streaming, and greater hotspot capability even in remote areas. Carrier compatibility with multi-user functionality: every passenger can enjoy stronger cell signal from Verizon, AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile, US Cellular and all carriers. Modular antenna design: Drive XRV's rugged outside antenna can be installed using several mounting configurations as well as varying height levels to help optimize its performance. 5G compatible: all weBoost products continue to support the latest in 5G technology, working seamlessly within a 5G network to deliver the best cell signal possible. Longer battery life: the Drive XRV provides stronger cell service with less cellular battery power consumption.